Hey Luis, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So taking a look at your website, you got your header here, you got your logo, which is awesome. You got your different pages, the contact us. I don't see your phone number straight away. What I would recommend is having your phone number in the top right corner. So when someone comes to your site and sees, hey, professional hardwood, laminate, and sees the type of flooring that you do, and they say, hey, let's just get on the phone, you want them to be able to contact you as quickly as possible. And then going down, your vision, a little bit about y'all, and then of course, once again, the different services you provide. Now, it's a really small site. I don't see a ton of content on here. What Google is truly looking for nowadays is about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page alone. And then, of course, having separate service pages for all the different flooring you do, like hardwood, laminate, LVP, tile. You want a separate service page for each of those services so that you can put organic keywords in. Now, what an organic keyword is a buyer intent word someone's putting into Google to find your specific service. However, before we get into that, let's check behind the scenes about your website. The way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs. Now, I'm not 100% sure how old or new your website is or how long it's been active. However, the things that we look at are the UR rating and the DR rating. Now, the UR rating is the strength of your site. The DR rating is the trust of your website. Now, ideally, we want both of these numbers in between 30 and 40 with the ratio of 1 to 1. That's what we call the golden ratio. Now, the way we get those are with backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be awful because Wikipedia is a very spammy site. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be awesome because that's relevant to your service. Now, another important thing are those organic keywords. What buyer intent words are you ranking for? And as you can see, you're not ranking for any. So let's check what a great buyer intent keyword would be. So flooring Atlanta, Georgia. That's going to be one of your top buyer intent words for Atlanta. So first up, you're going to have your Google guarantee. These are the people that went through a small process to get the little check mark, and as long as they keep answering their phone, they'll stay up top. And then you're going to have your ads. These are the people that are paying to be front and center. So every time someone goes and clicks on this and goes to their landing page, they get charged. Then you're going to have your GMB. Now, the Google Map Pack is super important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people will stop here and pick one of these three people just because that's the easiest thing to do. Then you're going to have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. Now, your top competitor will be Flooring Atlanta. Now, they have a cheat code because as you can see, one of the top keywords for someone looking for flooring is also their name. So they were smart when they got this. But let's check what's going on with their website as well. So we'll put them in. They have a nice header. They have all their drop downs. They have their logo. And then if you go through, they have the different floorings with pages for each different flooring service, reviews, their process, and of course the bottom. So they don't have a ton of content on their site either. So that's something they can work on as well. Oops, there we go. So let's check behind the scenes and see why they're number one for a lot of these keywords. So first up, as you can see, they have a strength of 24 and a trust of 4.5, as well as they're getting helped along by 313 different backlinks to raise their URDR rating, as well as they're ranking for 724 different buyer intent words. So let's check them out. Flooring Atlanta, Atlanta Flooring, that's going to be a little skewed with 1.9, 1.9, because that's their own name mixed in there. But if I was looking for flooring in Atlanta, that's what I would put in as well. And because they're in the front positions, they're getting that traffic as well. Then they have the rugs as well, as you can see, 450. Flooring Atlanta Roswell, that's them. Flooring Stores Atlanta, 100 people, they're in the first field position, 37. Atlanta Tile, as you can see, they're ranking for a lot, they're on the front page for a lot of these keywords, and they're getting that traffic because of it. Now, if we're looking to get that traffic for yourself, first things first, you need those backlinks. You got to show Google, and yeah, you got to show Google that you're strong and trustworthy. And the way you get that, those strong backlinks. The great thing is you have a roadmap. You know that Flooring Atlanta's, they have good backlinks because they're ranking for them. You can take theirs, add them to yours, and then of course you want to beat them out. So you want to get to 400 or 500, and then that'll get their URD and then beat them out for it. As well as you got to get content. You want 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and then of course have a separate service page for each of the different floorings that you do, explaining those so you can put organic keywords and buyer intent keywords throughout your site and put them in more spots. So putting it together, you have a strong website that's ranking for great keywords. And then, of course, you should start seeing more traffic through your site and more calls through your website. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that will be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your day.